Hello, I am Francisco Ruiz, the author of PassLok Privacy App and also URSA and C1s. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new pad mode of PassLok and URSA. I have PassLok here loaded in the main window. And let me tell you first what the pad mode does. Pad mode is something that approaches a one-time pad type of encryption, meaning that if it's done correctly, it's theoretically impossible to ever break an encrypted message without knowing the key. The important feature of this is that the key that you're using has to be at least as long as the message. Otherwise, you cannot engage this. In PassLok and URSA, this will be enforced if you put in a piece of text that will be at least 3 times the length of what you want to encrypt. For instance, let's say that I want to encrypt something like here. I'm going to gutenberg.org and I have Oliver Twist here. Let's say I want to encrypt the first paragraph. So I copy that and I paste it here. All right. I can simply go to edit and put in a key right here, something random, maybe like this, okay, which will not be perfectly undecryptable because it has a limited length, but it will work. So if I click on lock, it locks, and if the person who receives it on the other end has the same key, which he or she puts here, clicking unlock will unlock it the same way. Okay. In order to engage pad mode, what you need to do is to use a key that is at least 3 times the length of the message. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to copy the first 3 paragraphs. You can see the third one is pretty long, and I'm going to use that as the key. Copy, and then I just clear that and paste it. Alright, so now I have a fairly lengthy piece of text that is going to be used as the encryption key. So if now I click lock, look what happens. I'm being asked for the starting position. That is the place in the text that I supply as key where I'm going to start drawing characters to make this pad. So 0 is the beginning and 2593 in this particular case will be the end. I'm going to start at the beginning. So I click OK. And here it is. It has been encrypted pretty quickly. You can tell it's a special mode, has the tags MSP, and it begins with 2 instead of 1 add, meaning that it is a special pad mode. In order to decrypt it, the person on the other end, the recipient, has to have the same, or at least the same part that is going to be used, has to have sufficient length, and then click unlock. You should supply the same starting position just for kicks. Let's say that we start at 1 instead of 0. Then it doesn't work. But if you supply the same one, 0, then it works. Okay, so this is how pad mode is used. Again, you can use it in PassLok and in URSA in the same way. And they are available beginning with PassLok version 2.2.8. Thank you.